Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana and you are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, Bluetooth turn on. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Bluetooth. Bluetooth toggle off and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn on airplane mode. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset network setting. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset network settings. Returning, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is hard restart your iPhone. Tap on setting app and go back. Press the power button and press the volume up button and press the volume down button and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is factory reset iPhone. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on continue. Tap on erase iPhone. Are you sure you want to erase all media, content and settings? This content cannot be undone. Tap on erase iPhone and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whisper.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.